more time, stretch. We're going to bend through the elbow here. Bring it across the body. Hold on and bring down. Now bring the elbow into the body. Open out for 2, 3, and 4. Hold it out. Squeeze. Lift up. Grab a hold of the elbow. Bring the arms straight down in between the shoulder blades. Release. Bring across. Down. Elbow in, open out. 2, 3, 4. Hold it out. Stretch. Lift it up. Hand comes down in between the shoulder blades. Reach the elbow. Lift it, pull over. Good. Fold it forward. Fingertips. Reach out. Thread the needle. Drop the left shoulder. Walk the hand down. Other side. Hands to center. Lift up to down dog. Pedal through the legs.
One of these mornings,
And drop down to the knees.
you're gonna rise, singing.
Take the legs out wide. Fold forward.
Yes, you spread your wings, and you take to
Sweep
the
up to the
sky.
sky. And back down.
Until that morning.